Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First you're going to know the color's name. Orange color, chocolate color, purple color, green color, red color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we are going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next pentagon, next triangle, next heart, next star, now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, next chocolate color, circle, next blue color, pentagon, next purple color, triangle, next red color, heart, next kids, orange color, star, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, blue color, pentagon, purple color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.